I'm Stephanie Essen, and welcome back to IDZ Weekly. This time we talk about the concept of modularity in game development. But before we get on to that exciting topic, I have to wish my mom a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. They're not paying me to sing. Okay, so back to modularity. It's the process of organizing groups of assets into reusable, interlinkable modules to form larger structures and environments. This core idea is to reuse as much work as possible in order to save memory, improve load times, and streamline production. However, there are drawbacks to overcome with these methods. For example, you can't forget to create variation in surfaces. That way, repetition of modules aren't that noticeable and the viewer feels more immersed in a realistic environment. One of the biggest issues with real-time environments is that you can't do all the creation in-engine. As artists, you rely on a plethora of programs that all get consolidated into a single workflow, with the final product reaching the engine. This is a challenge because it's important that the whole scene shares consistent and equal detail rather than inconsistent pockets of micro detail where more time was maybe spent. So here are the pros with modulation. You can build large environments quickly and be more memory efficient. The cons, though, are that you'll take extra time planning at the start, and your final product can look repetitive, boxy, or mechanically aligned. In other words, pretty boring. In this article on IDZ, Intel Greenbelt software developer and art director at Well Told Entertainment, Mark Meller, shares his experience learned in creating environment art for VR games that can be applied to any 3D application or experience. He talks about basic fundamentals on how to think like a designer, the difference between games and commercial applications, the importance of planning, and a general process overview. He also gives insight into what to look out for in metrics and textures, as well as some advice to you game developers. The best advice I ever received was the only thing that truly matters is trying to enjoy the ride. Lots of great insights from Mark Meller, so thank you, and don't forget to check out the links provided where we've left you some awesome resources, and I'll see you next Monday. Happy birthday, Mom.
Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe, and don't forget to leave us a comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see, and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows. See you next time.